If you're a brand new seller and you're not sure what to start selling because everything is restricted and gated, I got you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get auto approved for products in bulk. Yes, you heard that right. So you can start selling multiple products, multiple ASINs, and I'm going to show you how to get approved in bulk using BOXEM's new auto ungate bulk feature. Typically, this software is a shipping software which helps you create shipments for Amazon FBA, and it streamlines the entire process instead of using Amazon's workflow, which is very tedious and it's too much of a headache. So you can use BOXEM to create shipments, and now they just created a new feature where you can upload a ton of ASINs and it'll check on your Amazon store which ones you're auto approved for. So it does the auto ungating for you instead of going one by one, going to Amazon Seller Central, dropping the ASIN and then requesting approval. One by one, you can do this in bulk. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I already added some of the links here in this module, but so this is BOXEM here. So you can you can check all your analytics, you can check your inventory, you can create shipments and send them off to FBA and check all like your revenue and everything like that. But since we're just focusing on the auto ungate feature for this video, this is where you would access it. So this is a demo account. So if you go to inventory, you go here to bulk ungating, go to bulk ungating, and then we can use our auto ungate list here, or we can also use our lead sheet. We'll just do this one for now. We're gonna copy this, copy that, and then paste all the ASINs here. So see, they're all in here already. Now you could do one at a time, but it will take a little bit of time. So the more ASINs you do, the more time it'll take to auto approve them all. So we're just gonna do one by one. You can hit this here as well. You can check ASINs. So now you can see we're ungated on these and we're gated on these, and it's still going to scan for 1,800 other ASINs. So you just kind of let this do the work. And then, so now that you know you're ungated on this, then you can check here and see if you can find this product profitably. So it's still probably going to say that I'm probably not ungated because this is a different account. So I'm using different accounts here. But you should be auto approved if BOXEM is reflecting that. So then after that, then you would like try and find this product profitably. Or if you're using, obviously you would also do your due diligence. You can see here there's only one seller, which means it's probably a private label brand, which is probably something we might not want to sell. So you still got to do your due diligence. Even though you're approved, doesn't mean that you can sell all of the products. So this is just a faster way to check for auto ungates and also build that like initial trust with Amazon and kind of letting them know that you're going about it the right way. So you could find some of these products. Looks like Stanley is ungated. I think these might be the straws. Yeah, these might be the straws. So then you can kind of go in here and start doing some sourcing and getting into it like that. And then you can also even do the other strategy. So let's pretend we go in here. So we see this is Amazon. Looks like there's some other third-party sellers here. So since we know we're automatically approved for this product, then we would check. They're big dogs, so we probably wouldn't want to compete with them. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna do our ungating reverse sourcing. So we'll just go in here and find like Crayola. I guess Crayola. This ASIN might be auto approved for my account, but it might not be auto approved for everybody's account. So every account is going to be different. Just check what you're ungated for. But as you can see here, I'm looking for new sellers. These all tend to be like older sellers. This might be a new one here. So you'll just go through and try and find other new sellers that are on the listings that have less than 10 reviews. And based on that, you will go on their stores and check what they're selling. So this guy here has about 20-ish reviews. He seems to be like he's new. So then I know for a fact I can probably also sell these and1 socks, probably getting them from JCPenney. These all look like they're Walmart brands. This looks like Gap. This is JCPenney. So I would just try and find these products as well. So it's a better way to find auto approvals. Now, if you want to take it a step further, you would close this, Ungate. So right now it's probably, I just stopped that search. So I'm going to delete this. So normally I would just let it go through, let it like sit there and do all the auto approvals. But over here, this sheet, this is the lead sheet. So a lot of these might be profitable because we have the supplier list right here, the supplier link here, and then the Amazon link, and then other data as well over here. So go to the new leads tab down here, and then grab all the ASINs here, and then paste them in here, and then check the ASINs. And now we can see these were ungated on for my account. Every account's different once again. So now what I would do is, these are all arbitrage items as well. So you got to do your due diligence no matter what. Just because it's here, just because you're approved, don't get excited and try and sell it. Always make sure the data makes sense, the profit makes sense, everything makes sense. So we're going to go here 100%. And now we're going to go back to the lead sheet and we're going to Command F and we're going to search that ASIN. So now you can see it's this one. So I know I'm ungated on this one. So then let's see, it looks like we're getting them for $150, selling for $250, $54 profit. But now we have to make sure that it's in stock. So I would click on it. Looks like it's out of stock. Okay, no, not a problem. We still got a ton of other leads that we can be checking. So it would be kind of cool if you could filter this by the rank. So this is a 6K rank. Let me look that up. Command F, search. There it is right there. $24, $4 profit, I think it looks like. Now we would check if it's in stock. Looks like it is. So this is something we would also run. We would run the numbers on. Where'd it go? It's not this one. Not this one. Okay, so we would open the page and then run the numbers, check the Keepa, check all the data, make sure everything makes sense. We know we're ungated, so we checked off one box. Now we got to check off the other box. So this is $12.98. So $12.98. So $5 profit. Profit makes sense. Now we check the Keepa graph. Keepa graph looks okay. 7 sellers down to 5, so it looks like it's selling pretty consistently at 24 to 26. This might be something I might want to test out as well. Now there is variations. So this is the second variation. This variation here is getting all the sales. You can tell because the trophy is here. But this is something I might consider purchasing a couple units. So if we check the data, we check the offers. And as you can see, this one has sold 70 units in the last 30 days. Even though it says here 50 plus units, it's a little bit accurate. But this rank here, it's supposed to be selling thousands of times per month. But, you know, since it's a variation, this top variation is getting all the sales. Has 1,000 reviews. This one only has 47. So this one's on the slower end. So I would make the assumption that, let's see, there's 2 FBA sellers. I would be the third. So 71 divided by 3. I can sell about 20 to 25 units a month. But I would probably only stock up like 10 just in case. I would only stock up 10 just in case because there's 3 other sellers here doing FBM. And then if we look at the buy box, you can see FBA is dominating the buy box. This guy's getting 80% of the share. So FBM is getting only 21%. So I would probably only get, like, you can see everybody else has less than 30. So I would probably get 10 to 15 units ish just to test this product. But see how easily we found the profitable product, that the data makes sense, the numbers make sense, we're auto approved. So this is going to make it a lot easier. You just got to be willing to do a little bit of digging here. But it's it makes your life so much easier. It's like way faster. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and be sure to email BOXEM support. Let them know you're in my inner circle, and they will give you an extra 30-day free trial instead of just 2 weeks. So at least I managed to get that for you guys. Here's the link to get a free trial. Here's the sheets. And I'll post this video in here. Let me know if you guys have any questions, okay?